Hi all, I'm Jeanette Keynes from Jewelry Arts Inc. In this video, I'm going to show you how we pour a white gold ingot. Sometimes all you need is a little help from your friends. So there are certain scenarios where you need a friend in the studio, and pouring into a big ingot mold like this is one of those. I have to keep turning away, but I have to make sure my flame doesn't land on Donna. We're pouring a white gold ingot. So basically, I'm the friend heating up the ingot mold. Donna's getting the crucible good and hot. She's going to get her metal nice and liquidy, and then she's going to pour it in. She wants really this tall piece, which is why we're not using the shorter one. But in my experience, you really can't do this by yourself.
So I think the crucible is hot enough. So do you suggest they turn the flame off and put the thing in?
No, get it in there, man. Throw it in there. There you go. Oh yeah, that's how you do it. Now I'm more lazy than Donna is, so I usually just set the crucible on the block and don't pick it up until things are close to being hot. But you do you know.
I figured as much flame on this mold as possible. Or do you think it's pointless?
It's fine. Either way, it's fine.
I just want to be close to you.
Yeah, right. And once Donna's at the point where she's like a couple minutes away and she gets her crucible in position, I'm going to angle my flame so that I'm hitting the opening of this and probably the opening of her crucible. Just, maximum heat basically. Because you don't want it to cool down as it's coming out, because then you won't get one solid ingot, you'll get like a couple pieces. Look at that. 2 torches, no waiting. Okay, so Donna is going to sexily open up the ingot molds, and I'm going to do my creepy voice so that you can see how beautiful it looks like inside. Yes, tweezers are a very good idea.
Mm-hmm. Okay, ready?
And the crowd goes wild. Look at that sexy baby.
Amen.
Yep. Look at that. Now, white gold is hard as fuck to work in because it's hard as a rock, but it is a lovely color.
It looks like vampire seduction.
Don't try this at home, kids. You may not enjoy working in the white gold, but
we did it. Look
yay!
at that pour. Very nice.
A beautiful pour.
Nice. Thank you.